I'ma head out then.
Big moves, I'm that dude. Bet I see you from the top, yeah, real soon. Looking down on the haters that I've been through. Told them I'll see you.
What you running here? 5XV212 on the Ruthless 10K at .8.
Yes, sir. That thing was cutting up out there. I had to come see.
Yeah, let me see if I can find you something a little low.
You got 5 of them in there?
Yeah, 5 at .8.
You active in there. This whole front come on like so you can put them up in there? Or you have to go in through the side?
I go in through the side.
Yeah.
Yeah, boy, it's a pain putting that lasso. That's woo.
I was just wondering how you pull that off. Try it then. Okay.
Okay, let's get on. Let go. Okay, let's get on. Hey, yo, is that Mexican OT? I do a backflip. Huh. Mama throw a bitch feet. And I got me a rich bitch. Slide down the block, I'ma knock out the top. I'ma rip out the block. That's his name off the hit list. I'm that Mexican that they wanna be, not fucking. I'm the Mexican that they wanna see. It's that Mexican. Motherfucking T, put your motherfucking fight on the motherfucking T, bitch. I fight on the motherfucking T. I be like,
Okay.
That's some real shit. The wheels play with it. Don't make me, don't make me. Like a motherfucking rubber, nigga. Say my hood, they keep that mask on.
Yeah, man. You on social media anywhere they can follow you?
Yeah, you can follow me on TikTok at Poundin6.
Okay.
POUNDINCIVIC.
Y'all know I'm gonna tag them down below. Do it for you, man. Yeah, that thing nice, bro. I appreciate it. So I'm gonna leave it right there for you.
All right.
I give you a demo in this.
Oh yeah, let's do it. What's going on, man?
It ain't on the 4500 no more.
That's it. What you got going on?
Hey, you still rolling?
Yeah, it's still rolling.
Subscribe to this man's YouTube page, all right? You hear me?
Right, so appreciate it.